What is the value of x in the equation above? All right, I have myself a calculator here, so I'm hoping things that are magical are going to happen, but probably not. I have to isolate this x somehow, which means the first thing I'm going to do is get rid of that 4. Now, nothing magical happens, right? Like a nice thing would be like if this number became like 27 or 9, so I could do like, 3 to the 3x equals like 3 squared, but that doesn't happen. I have 3 to the 3x equals 5, so that's no good. So now what I have to do is I have to write this in its logarithmic form. You are my base, so I have log base 3 of 5 equals 3x. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run to my calculator. But before I even do that, oh no, my calculator's log is a base of 3. Which is the what is the value of x in the equation above? All right, 3 to the 3x plus 4 equals 9, so let's get rid of 4 and hope magic happens. Well, it doesn't. This is what I meant by magic. Oh, wouldn't it be nice if this was like, 27 or 9 so that I can be like 3 to the 3x equals 3 squared, or 3 to the 3x equals 3 to the anything. That doesn't happen here. So there's not much what I can do except for to write this in the other log form. So the other log form, if I have something in the form of b to the x equals y, I can write that out as log base b of y equals x. You're my base, you are my x, you are my y. So I can write this out as log base 3 of 5 equals 3x. Now, I have no clue what log base 3 of 5 is. And if I run to my calculator, I'm lost because the calculator's log is log base 10. This is log base 3. I have to use the change of base formula. And if you're like, what's the change of base formula? Let me quick show you. Change of base formula says if you have log base b of m and you need to throw that into your calculator, type out regular log of m over log of b. And so this is log invisible 10, and then this will work. So this is what I have to do. In my calculator, I have to type out log of 5 divided by log of 3. That gives me a gross number. That's going to equal 3x. So once I get that gross number, what I'm going to do is divide that gross number by 3, and that gives me an x. So one more time, I'm going to type in log base 5 divided by log of regular 5 divided by a log of 3, get a gross number. Divide that gross number by 3, and that'll give you my x. Okay, log of 5 divided by log of 3. There's my gross number. Divide that by 3, and my answer is going to be 0.488. And I'm going to round it there. All right, so after all of that, I got 0.488. Terrific.